Hello everyone. Welcome back to our new video. Today, I'm going to show you how to remove background in Canva in just a few simple steps. If you are searching to make a transparent background of a photo or picture on Canva, you come to the right place. But before we jump into it, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I've also added some useful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them. Alright, let's get started. To remove the background in Canva, first of all, open the Canva app on your computer or go to the Canva website. Once you're on Canva, log into your account if you haven't already. Now, on the home page, click on the Create a Design button at the top left corner. A pop-up appears. From here, choose the type of design you want or custom size. Once your blank design opens, click on Uploads from the left sidebar. Now, upload the image you want to edit and remove the background by clicking on the Upload Files button. Once uploaded, click on the image to add it to your design. I am going to remove the background from this picture. Now, click on the image to select it, and a top toolbar will appear. From the toolbar, click on the BG Remover at the top of the screen. If this option is not available, click on Edit Photo. A new panel will appear on the left side. From here, click on BG Remover. Canva will automatically remove the background from your image in a few seconds. Now, you can adjust the image, move it around, or add a new background if you like. Now, your image is ready to use with a transparent or new background. You can download it or use it in your design.